Hi guys, welcome back to SocialNet. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your First Republic online banking account. If you have already registered for online banking account on First Republic Bank, then now you can log in using your login credentials that you have set while registering for your online account. The process to log in is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. By the completion of your login process, you will be able to access your financial transactions, account histories and details, payments, fund transfers from anywhere and anytime online. So in order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow the simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop, then tap on it to open. Then on the search bar, search for firstrepublic.com. And once you land onto an interface like this, place your cursor over Secure Sign-In, then choose the Banking Online. Then you will land onto the login page of First Republic online banking account. So before you get started, there are a few things you need to keep in your mind. You can't log into your online banking account if you haven't registered for it at the first place. So in order to do that, all you have to do is go to Know Username and Enroll Now option and tap on it in order to start your registration process. And once you have finished your registration process, you will be provided with a username and a set of password that you can log into your account with. So go to Username text field and enter the username associated to your online banking account. Then on the password text field, enter your password that you have set while registering for your online account on First Republic Bank. If you want this site to remember your username, then go and tap on to remember my username. But do not tap onto this box if you are using a shared device. So once you have filled up your login informations, go and tap on to Secure Sign-In. And by tapping on it, you will have successfully logged into your First Republic online banking account. Now with all these informations, you will be able to log into your account in no time. And this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.